Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on in Settings and the adapter appears in Device Manager. You do this because Windows can disable adapters when power or policies change. Once done, note the adapter model name so you download the exact driver. You will search Windows Update first, then the PC maker or adapter vendor. Doing this avoids generic drivers that cause instability and gives you a reliable foundation for the next steps. Next, you reset the software layer that runs Bluetooth. Restart the Bluetooth support service and set it to automatic so the system manages connectivity consistently. Then disable and re-enable the adapter in Device Manager. If problems persist, uninstall the device and let Windows reinstall it so you clear corrupted configurations. Make sure airplane mode is off and run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. These steps remove software conflicts and refresh the stack, which is why most intermittent connection issues resolve here. Finally, you remove old pairings and repair devices to eliminate stale profiles that block connections. When pairing, follow the device prompts and confirm any PIN or code so keys match. This is how secure links establish. Test with a file transfer and an audio playback to verify both profiles. If things still fail, check USB power settings for internal adapters, try a known good Bluetooth dongle, or roll back to a recent system restore point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.